guys, what's up and welcome back to Kawaii Cookin. Today we're gonna get real experimental with these candy experiment sets. This is a powder set and this is a drink set. I don't know what's about to happen, but things are gonna get absolutely insane. That's why I have these on my head. I have a little lab coat and a turtleneck. Do I look like a scientist?
Yeah, you do.
Totally.
Let's start with the drink. We'll set the other mix off to the side and open this guy up. One of these is Crazy Poppin' Cookin', and then the other one is the Heart Candy set. So we're mixing the two competitors, and they're gonna battle to see which will reign supreme. This is Shin-chan too. I don't know why this character has, I like this a lot. Look at it. He's so cute. So it comes with this, comes with a straw and 2 packets for mixing. What? I love this so much. I love this so much. So according to the instructions, we fill this container up to the 100 cc mark, and then we add in the green powder first, and then the red powder, and we mix them together to see what crazy experiment we will receive, deduced.
Where did you get your degree?
The School of Hard Knocks. Let me just be my own scientist. The great mouse detective taught me everything.
Wasn't he a detective?
Oh yeah. What is it? Science? Chemical X. Powerpuff Girls taught me everything I know.
That explains everything.
Thank you. Lena, fill this up, my lab assistant, please.
Do I get a cool lab coat too?
No. While she's doing that, I'm gonna just open up this cute little straw, set it off to the side. Did you spit in that?
Yep.
Lena?
A lot.
Guys, I don't know if she did it perfectly.
I knew you were gonna say something.
This is science, okay? Science. Something she would know nothing about because she never watched Powerpuff Girls like I did. She attacked me first.
No, I didn't.
You said the great mouse detective couldn't be a scientist even if he wanted to.
Your own stupidity.
I know! Green one first.
Hold on. Lab safety.
You're right. Finally. It was making a line on my forehead. Can you see it? It hurts so bad. Ouch! Lena said I had to fix it, so I pushed it up and now it's a dent. Oh, can I fix it with my hair?
Nope, it's too late.
Okay. Well, let's open up this first one. Ooh, it has a little tear spot for it, which I only half trust. Let's see what this smells like. It has a fruity smell, but no real smell. Like, I can't tell what it is. So let's mix this in first. Ew, it looks brown. Maybe it's cola? They're trying to trick you with it being a different color. So they want you to think it's like, oh, this must be apple. But no, this is science. Nothing is what it seems. Or exactly as it seems, right? Because it's science. I'm glad I watched The Great Mouse Detective because I deducted that. I need one of those things. Graduation cap.
You gotta graduate first.
I'm gonna kill you. She's gonna die after this. Okay, well, we're mixing this in. I'm very afraid of what's gonna happen. Whoa. Wait, I didn't even sniff it. Ooh. Now this smells like cola. Now what? These are ridiculous. Okay, let's mix it up. Real good. It's happening. You can kind of see. Can you see the bubbles? It's growing. It says step 1, pour water. Step 2, pour thing. Step 3, pour other thing. Step 4, what? I'm getting ripped off. Maybe I gotta taste it.
Oh, it just changes color.
We missed the experiment. We missed everything. Let's try it. That was not a big color change, right? This is not real science, and I should know. I'm a detective. Let me try it. I can deduct that this, what, is that the wrong word? Oh, I detect that this is orange soda with my deductive thinking. I feel like this was supposed to be cooler than it was. Experiment 1, done. I'll set this off to the side. and maybe get to the real experiment, because this one's supposed to be crazy, crazy. Let's open it up, see what's inside. This guy has a mustache, so I already trust him. And you're right, Lena, we should have got those mustaches at the store.
I told you.
She really wanted to get these mustaches at the art store, and I was like, we won't need them, I'll just draw on my face, but that's...
always need them.
You're right, you're right. Ooh, this is fun. What's this? Ooh, oh, it comes with cool instructions. I have never seen this before. Oh, you can like fill it out, like be a real detective scientist. Let's open this up and see what's inside. Ooh, we have a ton of packets. Oh my gosh, this isn't, holy crap. Oh my gosh, there's so many things in here. Well, this is exciting already. There are so many packets to this one. This is crazy. Okay, these were in a separate package altogether. So I'm gonna let these hang out right over here on the side. They're numbered 1, 2, and 3. And there's 3 different experiments in this kit that we're going to be exploring. I'm gonna keep all the 1s together, and then I'll keep all the 2s together. What the heck? This is purple and has like cabbage on it? That looks crazy. Then we have spoons, we have a little dropper, and then we have this container, which we're gonna have to cut up. I think there's only like 4 pieces that we need to cut. So we'll do that first before we head into our first experiment. This is crazy, but I mean, it's an experimental candy kit. We don't really know what's gonna happen, so this is gonna be a lot of fun. Let's go ahead and cut this bad boy open so we can start experimenting. Cut off the dropper first, and then I'm gonna go down the line, split this in half, get everything separated. Now that everything's cut, we'll set these guys off to the side. We're only gonna be needing this guy and our little water scooper and this dude. So the first packet we're gonna open up is this one, this purple looking cabbage packet, which will probably smell a little farty. I'm just assuming. I don't know. I'm pretty sure I could eat this. I'm going to, but I'm scared. Ooh, actually, before I cut this open, we're gonna fill this little container, this long rectangle one, up with water all the way till this line right here. All right, that looks perfect. Let's open up this packet. Let me smell it. Oh, they're sneaky. They show like a purple cabbage, but it smells like sour grape. Pour this in here. Woo! Cool! We're experimenting! Oh, that smells great. It smells like Kool-Aid. Let's mix this up really good until all the little granules are mixed. I love that sound. Okay, I think we're good on that one. Just a heads up, this very first experiment that we're doing is about color change. So there's a little line in each of these containers. We're gonna grab this purple and fill up each of these guys to the line with the purple. That like went perfectly to the line. Woo, nice. Nice. Perfect. Next up, we have a lemon packet, a baking soda packet, and then a mystery packet, which from what we read, will either be the lemon or the baking soda. I don't know. We've never done this before. There isn't a lot on the internet to tell us like what to do, but we're gonna see right now by mixing these packets in what the color will change into. So let's start with the lemon packet. Wanna see what it smells like? Yeah, it smells like lemon. It smells like fresh lemon. All right, we're gonna pour this into the far left container. Ooh, pretty. Whoa, that's crazy. The purple looked so dark. I didn't think, look how vibrant this is. That's actually really cool because the purple was so dark. I didn't think it was gonna turn that bright of a pink. I was like, oh, it's gonna be like a magenta. That is Power Ranger pink. I like it. Next is the baking soda packet. Because is it really baking soda? Or is it like that cabbage situation? No one knows. Let me smell. Oh, that doesn't smell like baking soda. This smells like fruity and wonderful. Okay, let's pour it in to the far right. We'll save the middle for the mystery flavor. Oh, okay, this is supposed to be blue, I think. The colors are so bright though. I wasn't expecting it to be that bright. All right, let's open it up and mix it together and see what happens. I'm gonna give it a little smell. That smells really good. Okay, mixing it into the middle. It's the pink one! From the way it smelled, I suspected it was pink. I wanted it to be a different color, Lena.
Megan, can you please explain the chemical properties and processes that went into this experiment?
When you do purple and you do powder, sometimes it makes pink and sometimes it makes blue. Thank you.
Genius.
First experiment done. This is pretty satisfying to see all these beautiful colors. For the next experiment, we are going to take the water dropper and fill this cloud container all the way up until the line. And then we're gonna mix these 2 packets into it. Start with the lemon packet. Smells good. Nice. Ooh. It's nice and bright and yellow, looking like Gatorade. Now the baking soda smells like grape. Let's see what happens. Oh, wow! It's foaming! Ah! Whoa, it just like instantly foamed up. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at that. Dang, almost looks like ice cream. It's so thick. Well, that's experiment number 2. We'll set this off to the side. And now it's time for the final experiment. We're gonna take packet number 1, open it up, and then add it to the big circular container right here. Let's take a little, ooh, that doesn't have a smell. I was thinking it was grape right at first, but I don't really know. I don't even know what I just smelled. Maybe when I add the water, it'll have more of a smell. I think it was grape. 1 scoop of water in there. Let's mix it up real good. Ooh, it's blue. It's getting real thick. Okay, it's like a blueberry. Not just saying that because it's blue, but you can actually start smelling it. That looks like a good consistency. Next, we'll mix in packet number 2 into that same spot. Oh, it's changing colors. It's like changing into purple. Whee! This is so silly, but I don't know why. It makes me happy. Whoa, it's getting so thick. It's like turning into like a mousse, like a taffy kind of. Holy smokes, that looks crazy, right? Then we take this final 3rd packet and we place it into the little spot next to it. And it's basically like rock candy. So we're gonna grab a super nice like spoonful of this taffy stuff, dip it into the rocks. We can basically eat it. Should I try it? Whoa! It was so sour. In my mind, I thought it was gonna taste like taffy. It feels that way. It's like a marshmallow cream kind of consistency, and it's like pooling, so I thought it was gonna be like taffy, but the rock sugar is just basically sugar. It's like a thicker foam. It straight up just feels like foam. It like foams up in your mouth too.
Are you sure you're supposed to be eating that?
I'm a scientist, Lena. Of course I'm supposed to be eating it.
Are you supposed to eat the other ones?
Should I try? Let me try it. Lena!
Oh no! Are you okay? What's happening?
It's turned me into a dinosaur!
Wait, hold on. That's just a dinosaur mask.
But sure did I fool you, oh boy. Thank you for coming to my experiments. Please come again. Thank you. Goodbye. Wait, no, actually, if you like this video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. It lets me know that you want more. I think this candy kit was definitely an experiment, right? It wasn't horrible, but it was really freaking weird. Hit subscribe so you know when I post new videos. If you want to binge watch Kawaii Cookin, I have a full playlist ready for you. And if you're into gaming, make sure you check out my gaming channel. But that's it for this video. I will see you guys later.